Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're checking out the brand new 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302, a car that's bringing back one of the most iconic names in Mustang history. Ford's given it a fresh modern twist, so let's talk about how it looks, feels, drives, and what kind of money it's going to cost you. Right away, when you see this car in person, it just screams muscle. The front end is aggressive, the grille is bigger, the headlights are sharper, and you've got that long, sculpted hood with functional vents that tell you this thing isn't just for show. From the side, it sits wider and lower than the standard Mustang, with bold fenders and big 19-inch, or optional 20-inch, performance wheels that fill the arches perfectly. Around back, the quad exhaust pipes, a blacked-out rear panel, and that subtle but functional spoiler give it a proper track-ready vibe. Overall, Ford's done a great job of keeping that classic muscle car DNA while giving it a clean, modern performance look. Now when you step inside, things get a lot more refined than you'd expect from an old-school muscle car. The new Mustang interior design carries over, but the Boss 302 version takes it up a notch. You get sport bucket seats with heavy bolstering that hold you tight in corners, wrapped in Alcantara and leather. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels thick and grippy, and behind it sits a massive digital display that can switch between drive modes, including a special Boss 302 layout. The center touchscreen runs Ford's latest Sync 4 system. It's smooth, fast, and supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Everything from the stitching to the aluminum trim feels premium and focused on the driver. It's not overdone, but it feels expensive and purpose-built. Under the hood is where things really get exciting. Ford hasn't officially confirmed every number yet, but the Boss 302 is expected to use a heavily tuned version of the 5.0-liter Coyote V8, and we're hearing figures around 550 horsepower with over 450 pound-feet of torque. Power goes to the rear wheels, and you'll be able to choose between a 6-speed manual and a 10-speed automatic. The sound is pure muscle, that deep, raspy growl that makes you want to hit the throttle just to hear it sing. Ford has also reworked the suspension with adjustable MagneRide dampers, stiffer anti-roll bars, and performance brakes that make this car feel planted and confident at high speeds. Early test drives suggest it's sharper and more balanced than any previous Mustang Boss model, which says a lot. In terms of performance, you're looking at a 0-60 time in the low 4-second range, maybe even quicker with the right setup. It's built to be fast, but also to handle corners, something older muscle cars struggled with. The new chassis and electronics make this Boss 302 as much a track toy as it is a street car. Now let's talk money. Pricing isn't officially confirmed yet, but based on the current Mustang lineup, expect the Boss 302 to start around $65,000 to $70,000 USD, with performance packs or special paint options that could easily climb into the mid-70s for what you're getting. That power, the upgraded suspension, and all the design work, it's actually not bad value, especially compared to European performance cars that deliver similar numbers. So, overall, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 looks like it's going to be a serious return to form, a mix of old-school attitude and modern precision. It's loud, powerful, and unapologetically American. If you're a fan of muscle cars or just love driving, something that makes you feel alive, this one's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Boss 302. Do you love it? Or do you think Ford should have gone electric instead? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next review. I'll see you in the next one.